must have observed mixing sugar into the tea. But do you ever find sugar crystals while drinking the tea? Obviously, no. Why do the sugar crystals disappear in the tea? Is there a magic behind it? The answer lies in the physical nature of matter. The word matter is used to cover all substances and materials that we see around us. There are many different substances known and can be categorized into three states of matter as solid, liquid, and gas. In solids, particles are arranged closely and vibrate around a fixed position. In liquids, particles have the freedom to move around each other and often collide. In gases, particles move randomly in the entire available space. Experiment. Let us consider an experiment to understand the physical nature of matter. Dissolve a spoonful of sugar in a beaker filled with 100 ml of water. We can observe that there is no rise in the level of water and a clear solution of sugar is obtained. This shows that sugar molecules have entered into the vacant spaces between the particles of water. From this, we can conclude that both sugar and water possess a particle nature and some space exists between them. Can you guess the size of these particles? For this, dissolve a small crystal of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water to give a blue copper sulfate solution. Take out 10 ml of this solution and pour it in a beaker containing 90 ml of fresh water. Again, take 10 ml of this diluted solution and pour it in a beaker containing 90 ml of fresh water. Repeat this process for 5 to 6 times. We can observe that on dilution, the blue color of copper sulfate starts fading away, but it never becomes completely invisible even after repeated dilution. From this, we can conclude that there are millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of copper sulfate. To summarize, we have studied that matter is made up of tiny particles and some space exists between them and they are too small to be viewed by the naked eye.